My daughter! Bring my daughter back! Chiamaka! 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 Chiamaka!
Are you okay?
Chiamaka, where's Chiamaka? Where's Chiamaka? Chiamaka! Chiamaka!
Mama!
Hey! Oh my child. Adam. Chiamaka, look at me. Look at your mother. You're safe. Do you hear me? You are safe. Nothing is going to happen to you, my child. Nothing will happen to you, Chiamaka.
Are you serious about what you're saying?
Ngozi, I am scared.
I'm wondering who you and your family offended. First it was your husband. Now they want to kill your daughter.
I think the gods are angry with my family.
Why would the gods be angry with your family? Did you commit any crime? That's not possible.
My husband's death was not ordinary. Yet, people are whispering that I killed my husband. Imagine if my daughter dies.
May the gods forbid.
What would they say? Hey!
My friend, you will not lose anyone again.
He said,
you will not lose your daughter.
Ngozi, I will not lose my Ada. He said,
You will not lose her. Do you hear me?
Hey!
But we must not fold our hands. We must do something.
Chidu, greetings.
How are you?
I'm fine, Chi.
How's your children?
They are fine.
I know it has never been easy for you since your husband died. Hey. Wow. Anything you need, please don't hesitate to tell me, because your husband was a very good friend of mine.
Thank you so much, Nai. I appreciate.
You're welcome. Let me go and get house for my patients.
Okay. Go.
Mama!
Your mother is back. Welcome. Oh, my boy. How are you?
Fine.
Have you eaten?
Yes.
Did you give him food? Enough food. You know he's a man. Alright, now continue your play. I'm coming. Let me go inside. I don't know, my leg is burning. My leg is burning. Somebody help me! My leg. Fan me, please fan my leg.
Mama, you'll be fine, right? I'm scared.
Don't be.
Mama, what can we do to help?
My children, do not worry, eh? I'll be fine. Huh?
So, Mama, you're in pain. What can we do?
Madam, you're just a child. What could you possibly do? Hi. Thank you, Adam. Please, go and inform Ngozi to come. Hmm? Be careful.
Nai, Ichie.
Ngozi.
Nai, Ndewo.
Odogoma.
Nai, please, come and help us.
What happened?
Nai, it is Njideka, your friend's wife. Something terrible happened to her. Her leg is swollen.
Swollen?
Hmm.
How? What causes it?
Nai, I don't know. Come and see it yourself. Pico.
You can go. I will come there later.
Nai, Pico, no. Oh, Pico. Nai, please, we are waiting, oh. Hey.
You mean this just started without hitting her leg anywhere?
Yes, Nai.
Hi. This is not ordinary. It is not ordinary.
Hey. Nai, you are the strongest healer in this village. Please, help her.
I don't treat the illness I do not understand. I must first seek the source.
Sorry.
Take this. Massage her leg morning and night.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, Nai.
Thank you, Nai.
You don't need to thank me.
Hey.
I must do all I can to save life.
Nai, may the gods rain his blessings on you.
Leave her outside to get fresh air.
Okay, Nai.
Don't take her inside.
Okay.
I have to take my leave now.
Okay, Nai.
When are we expecting you?
Nai, when next are we expecting your response?
In the next Eke Market day.
Okay. Nai, I'm going to go.
Nai, no.
Dalo.
It's okay, oh? Be strong. Oh? Everything will be fine. My children, go inside. Hmm? Gosi, what if this is connected to the dream? That dream. What if I am the one to lose my life and not my daughter?
Pofiawa. Do not say such a thing. May the gods forbid.
Do you think he will find the cause?
He was your husband's friend. I know he will go to any length to help. Let us trust the gods.
Thank you. Thank you for always standing by me. Thank you.
Do not bother yourself. I know you will do same if I am in this condition.
You know, what bothers me is my children and the farm. Now that I am tied down, how will I feed my children? I can't walk. I cannot walk. I cannot do anything. I don't know my children.
It's okay. Utsukwana. You should be more concerned about recovery. As for the farm, leave it for me. I'll take care of it.
Hey, Inimo, my friend. Daluso, thank you so much. Ngozi, thank you. May the gods bless you. May the gods bless you, Ngozi. Thank you. Oh, thank you.
Walk by her. Mwabi Cheduru Atakata Abuo, the strongest man in Umudum village. Anything that I tied will never be moved. Anything that I sell will never return back. Gideka. You receive this from your right leg. Just receive it from your right leg. Yes, it is done. It is done.
I do not know. My leg is burning. My leg is burning.
Maybe it's not the reaction of the medicine.
Oh, somebody help me! I hope more.
Aropinago. Jere kenje jibo. Jere kenje Okwaya. Ihe anyị na-ekwu maka ya bụ Njideka. Yes. Njideka. Njideka. Ị na-awụ anya onye nji ada arapụ ya aka. Njideka, let the pain grow until hope leaves her house. Yeah, I can see. Oh, Gamago. She's crying, growing in pain.
Oh, poor child. I wonder how they are cooking. I don't pity her mother at all. Was she not the one that killed her husband?
Hey. Uremma, stop saying what you don't know. How do you know? We all know how the man died.
What because again I know on a villager? Yeah? You are the only one with a different story in this village. Everybody knows the truth.
Which truth? Because many people say a thing does not make it true.
She killed her husband. That's why the gods are punishing her.
How do you know the gods are punishing her? Much pics of the gods. Is that what you are now? How do you know the gods are punishing her?
Let me tell you. If the gods are not punishing her, tell me why Ichieduru, the greatest healer in this village, cannot heal her. Eh? Her sickness gets worse every day.
Pico, let's go. I didn't make unke mama.
Okay, I
don't know. That's your business.
I only said the truth.
Chiamaka, don't tell me it's because of what those women said. Eh?
Auntie Ngozi, is my mother a witch?
No. No. Your mother is not a witch.
But why are they calling her that?
You know, people talk what they don't understand.
Mama couldn't have killed Papa.
Exactly. Exactly. Hold this truth. Do not let anyone take it away from you.
But why haven't the gods healed her?
Chiamaka, the ways of the gods are not our ways. Healing will come in its time. Inugo, do not bother. Do not worry yourself about all these things. And do not let anyone hear this. Okay? You have me. You have your mother. You have your siblings. Okay? But let's go home. Urema.
Okay. Yeah?
Do not spread lies against my friend again. I warn you.
Yeah? Who is this mad woman? Who is this mad woman shouting in my compound because I said the truth? Naidala.
Shameless woman. I did not come here to talk. I came here to warn you. If you call my friend a witch again, you have me to answer to.
Ngozi, you came to warn me in my own house because I speak the truth. God show us.
Do not involve the gods in this your wicked mouth. What is it?
What is this noise? Huh?
Warn your wife.
Chalo, Ngozi, Chalo. This is a home, not a marketplace for this your quarrel.
Once again, tell your wife to remove my friend's name from her mouth.
Oh,
not that part.
Imagine, Ngozi chasing me here. You want to beat me? Oh. So Ngozi, you don't know. You don't know that your husband is the king of all widows in this village.
Hey!
Ngozi,
Stay away! Say it again! Say it again and see what I will do. See, let me tell you something. I am just respecting you and just keeping my cap because of you. But warn your wife.
Show your true
warn your wife to stay away from me and my friend's family. In a different name.
You cannot do anything.
Say that again.
You cannot do
it again. You cannot do anything.
Ngozi, go.
You will see.
You will not do anything.
You will see.
You will not do anything.
I will deal with you. I will deal with you. Kocharia if I don't do it. Kocharia if I don't do it. No problem. I'm coming back for you. Who shall see?
Akiko.
Kocharukuya. I don't do it. Okay. The battle line has been drawn. Battle line. I will do it.
Grandma. Why do you always bring drama to this house every day?
9. As long as people keep minding their business in this village, there will be no more drama.
So tell me, when did someone else's misfortune become your business?
9. So I should not talk again. I should sit and watch while witches destroy this village. Okay?
Who told you she's a witch?
It's obvious. Everybody knows.
Everybody is not a person. Ask him, who told you she is a witch?
Nani, don't you see the signs? Njideka's husband died mysteriously. Now she's wasting away with an unknown sickness. Even Chieduru cannot even cure her. It seems no baka. No baraka.
Urema. So now, you are using people's sickness to justify your reasons of calling them witches.
You know what? Nai, what are you trying to say? Are you trying to tell me that the gods are blind?
See, you have to stop all this your gossip. Before you land yourself into serious trouble.
Trouble? Nai, can walk again. I'm not afraid of anybody in this village.
You should actually be. Seriously, you should be afraid of this your big mouth dragging you into a fight that is bigger than your strength you claim you have. And that thing you said about Ngozi's husband being is not king of widows. Where did you hear that one from?
Nah, I heard though. I heard from people.
Which people?
People, the villagers. People, villagers. On them no none of her.
Grandma.
Yeah?
You should stop this whole thing. Stop. Stay away from this matter. Agogongia. This village is not safe for loose tongues. It's not. And that rubbish, that nonsense you made this morning, the nonsense you did this morning, you should not try it again. That's if you still want to be in this house with me.
Nah, you are threatening me.
Call it anything you want. No, call it anything you want.
You are threatening me.
Just call
if
it
I see evil, I will talk.
It's been 1 week. And my friend's leg is getting worse. Is there no solution yet?
I am troubled myself. I've never seen an illness like this. Never.
Does it mean the gods has abandoned her?
At times, the gods may turn their faces away. But I can't see clearly. Each time I want to find the source of the illness, I can't see clearly.
Nai, there must be something you can do. She needs you. You are our only hope.
I will perform another inquiry, a deeper one. If the gods speak, then I will know the source of the illness. Yes.
Thank you, Nai. May the gods reward you.
Nwana, what is this rivalry between your wife and Ngozi? Because I do not understand the type of stories I'm hearing.
I don't know what is wrong with these women, but I will not allow such nonsense in my house.
These women like gossip.
Urema's own is too much. Her own is too much, and I have told her that such thing will put her into trouble.
Well, I believe that you know how to handle your home. You need to keep things tight, because if you do not, the problems that will come might bring your leg outside.
I know.
Do you understand? From what they say, they will cause problems for you with other people. So please. And you did not tell me you have sold the land you have in Ago.
Which land is it?
The one your family has near my own.
The
one with a lot of bamboos.
Yes.
I saw Chidimma cutting a lot of bamboos from that land.
That is my inheritance. It is not for sale.
Chelo, hold on. You do not have any idea that Chidimma went there?
Man.
You did not give him the permission to go there?
Why will I? I have no idea that Chelo Chidimma na nimkwa.
See, when I saw him there, I assumed that you sold the land to him or leased it to him.
No.
So he did not take your permission before going to cut bamboos from your land.
Exactly why the reason why I'm shocked. I'm surprised. They want to go to Jena and maybe for
okay. Obiora.
No.
This is what I want you to do.
Okay.
I don't want it to be a confrontation or a fight between you and Ichieduru. He's not your mate.
I know.
So what I want you to do is you go to him respectfully and tell him, because if you do not go to him, tomorrow he might exceed from cutting bamboo to planting things on your land. So you go and tell him, Nani, I was told you went to my land to cut bamboo. Nani, why did you not tell me? If you had asked me, I would have given you. But please, Nani, I need that bamboo for something else. Do not enter my land. Do you understand? Because if you keep quiet now, the next time he will do something else on the land. I am very sure the land belongs to you people. That is why I came to you. If not that I went with my father, while I was farming on our own with my father, your father was farming on your own with his father.
Exactly. That is a family land. It belongs to the family.
Yes. So that is why I know for sure it belongs to your family.
Yes.
So when you meet him,
Okay.
talk to him with respect, but tell him to stay off your land. Very important. Then when it comes to the other matter, just take things easy with him.
That particular land he was...
Obiora,
Ichie.
don't tell me you come to my house with war while you know that I'm a peaceful man. Please, sit down. Let us drink palm wine.
Ichie, I did not come to drink. I did not come to drink. Dobiko, why were you cutting bamboo from my land?
Oh, that small land. I was only using what the nature provided.
It is not for use, Ichie. It is not for use. I'm not even selling it.
Obiora, sell that land to me. I want to start palm oil business, and I know you must benefit from it. Huh?
Ichie, that land is my father's legacy. And I am supposed to pass it down to my children. And that is what I intend to do. Eventually, man.
Obiora, don't rush. Go home and think about it.
There is nothing to think about. Though, stay away from the land. That is what I came to tell you. Though, Biko.
We don't know who we are dealing with. Nonsense.
Oh, wow. Hey.
I hope you enjoyed the food.
You do not need to ask me. Your food is the best in this village. That is why I married you.
So it's only because of my food you married me?
That is not what I said. It is one of the reasons I married you. Here. It seems you do not want this food I ate, this beautiful food I ate, to digest properly, okay?
Okay. When the food digests, you tell me.
You've kept your neck like this. It took one no now. Let me just tell you so that I'll have my peace. See. I married you because of so many qualities. You are beautiful. You are respectful. And you like minding your business. Unlike your friend Uremma, who does cho, putting her nose and her mouth where it should not be.
Nah, please, you are talking about my friend though.
I know she's your friend. She's also the wife to my friend. But I will say the truth as I see it. You see, one day, somebody will give her a black eye.
You flatter me too much.
It is not flattery. It is the truth. You see this kind of peace I enjoy here. My friend and his wife, they don't have it in their house. That is just the truth.
I'm just concerned about Njideka and her poor children.
I'm concerned too. I just pray the gods heal Njideka. She has suffered enough with those children. May the gods heal her.
So,
really, she has suffered.
Obiora, I am Icheduru. No one dares me. No one says no to me. You have wakened a sleeping lion, and it will roar. Obiora, you receive my wrath now.
Adam, why is your face like this? What happened?
Mama, Upina and Ifunanya are crying. We are hungry.
Hey, gods of our land, what kind of suffering is this? Eh? Hey, my husband, where are you? Come and see you. Come and see your children. Your children are hungry. They cannot even eat. Eh? Your enemies. Look at what they did to my legs. I cannot cook for my children. Hey, my husband. My husband, don't go, please help me. And you left me at this shit. What am I supposed to do? You did not do me well. My child, I am sorry. I am sorry. I cannot go to the farm. I cannot do anything. I am sorry.
Hi. Nemo, how are you doing today?
I am okay, no. I thank the gods that you are here.
What happened?
My children have not eaten since, and they are hungry, and I cannot go to farm.
Hey, do not worry, eh? I brought yams for you.
Hey.
I brought yams for you and the children. I will prepare it so you eat, and the children also.
Do.
Mama, will we ever be okay?
Yes, my child, yes. We must. The gods will protect us. Go.
Come and join me. Let's prepare. Oh, let's prepare this food so mommy will eat and your siblings. Oh,
hey, Dalu. So the gods have abandoned me.
she's feeling the yams. I will cook it very soon. Huh? You eat only.
You have saved us again today. Thank the gods for you.
Do not bother yourself. Do not bother yourself. I'm here. I will help.
Darling. If only my husband will.
See, you have me. I'll walk with you all through. Oh,
the gods bless you for me.
See.
The gods bless you for me.
It's okay.
Oh. Careful.
Ndewo.
Ndewo. You're welcome. Ngozi, How is your friend?
She's there. You can go and see her if you are so concerned.
And what is the meaning of this? I only asked you a simple question. Because must you turn everything to disrespect?
Disrespect? Nai, you are the one bringing shame to this family by following widows around. Eh?
How dare you? How dare you raise this rubbish again? Have you ever seen me with any widow?
I don't need to see you. Your name is on everyone's lips in this village. They call you King of Widows.
And who told you that?
Nai.
Huh?
Nai.
Who told you that?
Umudime! Everybody come, my husband wants to kill me.
Listen, you must tell me who told you that.
They are your friends. All those people are your friends. So you don't deny it. See, let me tell you something. If you are no longer satisfied with me, get a second wife and leave widows alone. Or you will never have peace in this family.
You must tell me who said that.
All of them are your friends if you don't know. They are your friends. So don't deny it.
Greetings.
No, okay. Ewo! Nai! Keyo! What is it? What is it? Keyo! Keyo! Stand up from the ground. What are you doing? What is it? Ogini! What is it? It's me now. It's me, Rema. What is it? Hey! No. Look at me. You cannot see me. Hey! You cannot see me. Talk to me. Hey! Hey! My enemy is at work. My enemy is at work. Nai, you cannot see me. You cannot see me. Name my hand. You cannot see me. Hey! Oh, yeah, no, sir. My husband. Oh, one, oh, we gave a Ludimo. My name is succeeded. Chuma, where is your husband? Nanya! What is it? Nai! Why are you crying? My husband.
What is
Nai,
it?
my husband. Hey! I remember.
Stand up, stand up. What is it?
Urema,
Stand up.
what happened to your husband?
Nai, my husband is blind.
Huh?
He has lost his sight. Hey!
Did something enter his eyes?
No. He was about going out this morning. All of a sudden, he collapsed.
Huh?
The next thing, he was blind. Hey!
He's blind.
Yes, he's blind.
How?
Wait here for me.
Hey!
Come here.
Nai, Kevin, Nai.
Ure, stop. It's okay.
Choma, Apumaka!
It's okay.
Hey!
Ure, stop. It's okay.
Your
husband will be fine.
Hey! Nai. Apumaka.
Let's.
Okay.
Hey! I remember.
Mama, how is your leg to this today?
My child. Fine.
Mama, Let me check whether it's getting better. If it's getting better, let me just check.
Stubborn child. I told you that it is fine. Yeah, you do not need to worry yourself about my legs. Go and meet Auntie Ngozi at the farm. Go.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure, my child.
Okay, let me go to the farm. I'll be back soon.
Be careful, go.
Okay.
I'm gonna darling. This is why I did not show you my legs. I lied to my own daughter. I lied to my child. I need to seek solution because this one is not helping. My 2 legs are almost gone. And it is painful. I feel weak. I cannot continue like this. I have to look for another solution. Now.
Yay! Obiora, can you hear me? No. You can hear me, but you cannot see me. You cannot talk. Hey!
Nine, this is how our day started. I do not know where this is coming from.
This is not ordinary. This illness cannot be ordinary. Huh?
You've seen it. Ifugonian, who has my husband offended in this village? This is definitely my enemies at work.
I think we have to inform Ichieduru. We have to send for him because he is the only one that can solve this.
Yes. Please, we have to call him. He's the only one that can see beyond the physical. We have to call him. Maybe he will help us.
No kwano.
Hey.
What kind of thing is this? What kind of thing is this, Bikon? What kind of thing is this? Ha! My family were fine. Yes.
Oh, we are good. Are you coming from Obiara's house?
Yes, I am.
And how is he?
The situation is bad. It is bad.
Be careful.
Is it careful?
Huh? Strange things are happening in this village now.
Very strange.
It feels darkness has taken over Umudim. And as elders, we cannot sit down and watch this village being doomed.
Huh? But the question is, what do we do? Where do we start?
We start from making inquiries. We'll start from asking questions. I change on the Mwese. We'll ask the spirits what exactly is happening before it gets out of hand.
Udoka, you have a point there. You have a point. Oh, this is not something we are going to stand and talk about. The elders, we have to sit down and discuss this.
Exactly.
Okay, let me go home first. Before sunset, let us meet and then plan a way forward.
Good.
Is it at your place or are you coming to my place?
Let me come over to your place.
Good. So come to my house. Go.
Okay.
Let us see him.
Okay, let me just roll and also see him too. My regards to your family. Eh?
My regards to you.
Let me run around.
Agụ ọnụ. Ndị m ji eko. Ndị m ji eme ọnụ. I greet you. Thank you for making me the strongest man in Umudum. Thank you for answering my prayers whenever I call. Thank you for doing whatever I ask you to do. Anyone who dares me in this village will test my rod.
Nai, what is the next thing to do?
I do not know. I am still thinking about it.
I'm beginning to suspect Chieduru.
Yeah. Do not tell me that you've started spreading lies and gossip like your friend Urema.
No, Nai. I saw Ichieduru in Mazobiora's land today.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Yes. I think he's beginning to abuse his powers. How can he be taking the land of a man in that condition?
Huh. And we were even planning on going to meet him to help out in this case.
No, that won't be a mistake. I think he has lost his healing power. Look at Njideka. He hasn't healed her. Is it Obiora whose land he wants that he will heal?
You have a point. All this started after Obiora queried him, after Obiora accused him of trying to take his land.
Please, Nai, be careful. I feel that man is dangerous.
Huh.
Master, you dey see me again.
The evil you have wished for another person has finally entered your home. Okay?
Ngozi, please, mind your business, so. I'm sure you are the one that inflicted that blindness on my husband.
Is it only blindness? Mbanona. Say it well. Blindness and dumbness. When you were busy gossiping about my friend, you don't know your time will come? Urema.
I don't have your time, Biko. I'm going.
No! You must have my time. You must have my time. Okwata.
Ngozi, you are pushing me to do what I will regret to.
Or you do what? Do your worst. Urema. Do your worst. In fact, go and call that your husband that you feel that protected you that very day. Go and call him. Urema.
Ngozi,
do your worst now. Do your worst. I said do your worst. You're calling me a question. You're calling me a question. You're calling me a question. Urema.
Chiduru, we have come to see you out of respect as the great seer of our community. We, the elders, have come to speak on Obiora's behalf. We want to find out why you have decided to trespass on the land of a man who is currently unable to speak or see. Ogene.
I have spoken with Obiora, and he allowed me to use the land temporarily.
Icheduru, that is a lie. Obiora refused selling that land. That is his only inheritance.
I'm using that land temporarily. I'm not taking it forever.
Icheduru, before Obiora's illness, his strange illness, before this his strange illness, I spoke to Obiora. He told me that he never permitted you to set foot on his land.
Oh.
In fact, he said he did not even know you had crossed into his land. We are here as elders of this community to tell you that you should not trespass on that land again until Obiora can speak for himself. He must regain from his illness before anybody trespasses on that land again.
Thank God.
Please, allow me and Obiora to settle our differences. Okay?
We are just here to warn you as an elder, and we are here to warn you as elders of this community. Leave Obiora's land alone. Be warned, Icheduru.
So I, Chief Duru, you are pointing hand at.
Be warned, Icheduru.
And this meeting is over.
No, Icheduru. Leave my Icheduru. Leave my house. We are just warning you as elders. We are warning you as elders.
Leave my house.
Icheduru.
Now.
I think Icheduru has changed. I see something very odd in him these days.
You are still thinking he has changed. It is even clear to a blind man that he has changed. This is not the Icheduru we used to know.
So now what do we do? He is the only healer and great seer we know in this village.
See, My mind is telling me that we need to journey to Novia and see the great seer there.
The great seer only comes out during the full moon. And we don't even know when the full moon will come.
See, that is why we should journey to Novia and make consultations. They will tell us when the full moon will come and when we will see the great seer. We cannot stay here and watch Duru be doing all these things. And never want to hear maybe now. Who knows the next person that he will be the victim?
Akatapo, you are right. We have to do it and do it immediately.
Let us. If I name it over there, I thought much. Huh?
Icheko, Obi, Mukenji Aga, Dim, Mukenotalum, my husband. What did I do to deserve this suffering? Why did you leave me and your children to suffer? Biano, come and help me. If I lose my life, what will happen to our children? Who will take care of them? Or is it when I lose my life that you will come to my rescue? Answer me, Icheko. Icheko, I am talking to you. Icheko, answer me. Icheko, I'm talking to Icheko, answer me.
Njide.
I'm talking to you, answer me.
Njide, doing? Why are you disturbing the dead? Biko, get up.
Leave me alone. I need answers to my question. Is it until I die? Is it until I lose my life that you will help me? Yeah?
It's
okay. I am tired.
Biko. It's okay. Please.
Why am I suffering?
Let's go.
Why are you leaving me to suffer like this?
Let's go.
Hey.
Let's go.
You promised me, You said you would be there for us. You said you would never leave me. But now you left me.
It's okay. It's okay now.
Oh, I'm tired.
Get up. Sorry. Get up.
Mom.
What are you even trying to do? Do you want to die? How did you manage to get there?
I'd rather die. I'd rather lose my life and rest. Can't you see any can? You can't go no. I am so Finika Okukom. Let me just die now. Let me just die.
It's okay.
It's
okay, Uzuko. See, we will try and get another help. Let's try and find another way to help you.
There is no other way. Since Ichiedu could not do this, except we go to my parents' village. That is the only option I have. Apart from that, there is no other way I can get help.
It's not a bad idea. It is not a bad idea. We will try. We will go. Maybe they will know.
My child, how are you?
Fine. Nne, let me help you.
No, my child. I can carry it, oh?
I insist. Let me help you.
Can you carry it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, my child. Are you sure you can carry it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, my child.
I'll be going now, Nne. My mother will be looking for me.
May the gods bless you.
See.
My children, I'll be going to my parents' village to seek solution.
I know.
How?
I heard you talking with Auntie Ngozi about you today.
Oh, okay.
Mama, are we going with you?
No. My child, you're not going with me. You will have to stay here. But I promise you that I will not waste time. You know, go.
Nne, when are you coming back?
As soon as I'm healed, my child.
You'll be going tomorrow, right?
Yes.
But don't ever wish yourself death ever again.
Madam, please forgive your mother. I was frustrated. I am sorry, please.
Okay, Nne, I've forgiven you.
Darling, thank you. Please come and hug your mother. My children.
Where am I? Where am I?
Chiamaka, my child.
Nne, it's you. I remember you, but I don't remember telling you my name. How do you know my name?
My child, nothing is hidden before the gods.
Nne, but why did you bring me here? I already helped you with the firewood. Or do you want me to do anything else?
My child, when I saw you on the path, your heart was heavy. A child like you should not carry such a heavy burden. When you helped me, you awoke something. Now tell me, my child, what do you want me to do for you?
Please, heal my mother.
You have just activated the healing power in you. That is why darkness was not able to destroy you since birth. Your spirit is strong. May the gods bless you, my child.
He say, Nne. Nne. Nne.
Madam, how are you?
Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my child. How are you?
Fine.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. I can see you are ready to go.
My child, yes. I am ready to go. And it is for the best.
Mama, I had a bad dream.
Last night?
Yes.
Was that why you were screaming?
Yes.
My child, please, I want you to talk to your mother. Tell me everything that happened in the dream. I am listening. Ada, what is wrong with you, Ada? Ada!
Who did this? I'm the greatest Libya. I'm the greatest Libya. The strongest man in Umutum.
My legs. Hey! is healed. Your mother is healed. Oh yeah, hey, that's Zoya. Hey, hey, my child. Hey, your mother is healed. Oh yeah, hey, Ngozi, see my legs now. Ngozi, see, I can jump. Ngozi, this is me. What happened? I don't know. I do not know. I think my daughter healed me. I was just sitting there. She came and she touched me. All of a sudden, I'm healed. Hey,
that's not possible.
I'm surprised too.
It is only Ichiedulu that can heal this sickness.
Sister, I am surprised too. Yeah. I do not know how it happened. It means I don't need to go back to my parents' village again. Hey, you got over! Hey, my daughter, thank you so much.
You don't need to go to your parents' house again. No need. See, Enyim, let me go and inform my husband of this good news.
But you don't have to go now. Stay here and celebrate with us.
Don't worry. I will come back. I will come back.
Hey, my daughter, come and tell your mother what happened in that dream. Maybe what happened is connected to this healing.
What just happened? Someone that is almost dead is now healed. No, this is not ordinary. Who did this? I must find out.
Why are you shouting like this in my house?
Huh?
Why are you shouting?
You betrayed me. After all I've done for you, you betrayed me and healed Njideka.
I did not heal anybody.
Lies. That girl cannot possess that power.
Which girl are you talking about?
Chiamaka, Njideka's daughter.
Oh, you have been her all along.
How do you mean?
That girl has damaged everything in my house. And I must pay her a visit.
Nai, I do not understand what you are saying. You must return Njideka to her condition. That was our agreement.
Leave my house. I have a bigger matter to settle with. Leave my house now! Where is the rat? Where is that rat? Huh? Where is she?
There is no rat in my compound, Ichedu.
So, it is you? You are the one?
Hey, Ichedu.
Don't greet me. You are the one that want to scatter what I built for years. Huh?
Ichedu, Wayo, please tell me my daughter's offense. I want to know.
I will tell you when she dares me again.
Hey.
Ichedu, you have covered this land with darkness for too long. The gods are angry. Confess your sin, for their wrath falls on you.
So, it is you. I was looking for you for years. So this is where you are hiding. I will break you.
Your time is over.
What just happened here? Chiamaka!
My friend, how is your husband now?
He is still the same. I just hope he gets healed like Njideka.
He will. The gods will not abandon you.
He say, I've even gone to apologize to Njideka for all the lies I sprayed against her.
Really? Hey, that's very good.
Yes.
You did well.
I just hope she and her family forgives me.
I believe they will. Njideka and her family are good people.
I know.
Urema!
Nai.
Urema!
I'm Mafuzioso.
Hey!
How did it happen?
I felt a hand touch my eyes. When I opened them, I saw Chiamaka.
Chiamaka?
Yes.
Chiamaka Nwana Jideka. Where is she? She's inside.
No, there's no need. She's no more there. She's no more, but I can see. I can talk. I can talk.
What's of our land? What's of our land be praised.
I'm the greatest Libya. Nobody challenged me. No one challenged me. As I want to put in the yes, I'm the greatest Libya. No one dares me. I'm the Takata Abo. What? No one dares me. Onwa tasira na amara ho re nyawa amara ho okoro rugeru wara ogodo ikuku bi oburu okoro buru ogodo wa hey ne ne
So this is how you want it. So shall it be.
I'm on Benabo Kaboka. Hey! Who have done this? Who have done this?
I'm so happy you are fine now.
I am happy too. But my friend, what would I have done without you? You've been good to me. May the gods bless you. Welcome, Nicole.
We did not come to see it. We came to appreciate your daughter for healing me.
Appreciate my daughter. You should be thanking the gods. May the gods be praised. My daughter is just a vessel. May the gods be praised.
Leave me. I will speak. I will speak. Nicole, I will confess. I will confess. Please. I will confess. I will confess. I will confess.
Speak!
When the gods say another healer will come, I tried to stop him, but I couldn't. Then I used human blood to sustain my powers.
Yeah.
Njideka, I killed her husband.
Hey! Timu, why did you kill my husband? He was your friend. What did he do to you? Hey!
I killed him silently because he is the one the gods gave message that the new healer will emerge. I did it to silence him because he is the only one that know about the new healer.
My husband, DJ, come and see what your friend did to you. Hey!
I caused Obiora sickness because he refused to give me his land.
My own inheritance.
Yes. I caused your sickness. Please, forgive me. I also caused Njideka's sickness.
Hey. Should have just taken my life.
I'm not alone on this. I was carrying out instruction from Ngozi
because I owe her a debt.
Which Ngozi? Ngozi.
I say that this woman is evil.
Ngozi.
Forgive me.
Hey!
Forgive me.
Ngozi. Ngozi. Are you doomed to cho? Ngozi did that on forgive me. You missed my leg. As if it was not enough for you, you took the two. Hey! May the gods punish you! I curse you, it shall never be well with you! Hey! Ngozi.
I was thinking you want my husband because of how mean he was to you.
Your husband, don't touch me. Because your husband close to me. Can you compare your husband to my Icheku? Hey! Ngozi. And you don't Ngozi.
Please forgive me. Everybody forgive me.
As if one was not enough for you, you took the second one. May the gods curse you, Ngozi! Hey!
Evil has ended.